In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own ClickBank nickname. Before we begin, here's what a ClickBank nickname is and why it matters. Your nickname is the unique identifier tied to your ClickBank account activities. It appears in your affiliate links and is how ClickBank tracks your promotions or sales. Think of it as your public-facing handle on the platform, so choose something you're comfortable sharing. To get started, sign into your ClickBank account and head to your dashboard. This is the main overview page you land on after logging in. If you're on mobile, switch to a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, since some options are easier to find on a larger screen. On the dashboard, look for the option that says Create My Account Nickname. It may appear as a button or a prompt in the Accounts section. If you already see other nicknames listed, you can use the Add or Create option in that same area to create a new one. When the nickname setup window opens, you'll be asked to choose an account type. This is simply how you plan to use this particular nickname. If you plan to promote other creators' products and earn commissions, choose the affiliate option. If you plan to sell your own products through ClickBank, select the seller or vendor option. If you do both, don't worry. You can create separate nicknames later to keep your projects organized. Next, type the nickname you want. Aim for something short, easy to remember, and brand friendly. Stick to letters and numbers, avoid special characters and spaces, and don't include personal information. Because nicknames must be unique, the system will let you know if your choice is already taken. If it is, try a clean variation. Add a brief word, a number at the end, or switch to a similar spelling that still looks professional. Keep it simple, since this nickname will appear in your links. Before you submit, double-check the spelling and make sure it represents the project or brand you're using it for. If there's a terms or acknowledgement checkbox, review it and accept it to continue. Then confirm to create your nickname. You should see it listed in your accounts area once it's created. It's a good idea to copy it somewhere safe so you can paste it accurately when building links or setting up tools later. That's it. You now have a ClickBank nickname ready to use. Use this handle when creating affiliate links or organizing your seller setup, and consider creating different nicknames for distinct brands or campaigns to keep your reporting clean.